Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Face ID on an iPhone. To set up Face ID on an iPhone, go to the Settings app, then scroll down to Face ID and passcode, then enter your passcode, and now click on Set up Face ID. Now hold your phone up and click on Get Started. Then you should see yourself in the iPhone, and now you can move your head around then you can choose whether you want to use Face ID with a mask. Then you'll need to configure your Face ID again, but more accurately, or you can click on Don't use Face ID with mask, and then you can click on Setup later if you don't want to. Then click on Done, and now your Face ID is set. And let's try to unlock our iPhone. Just hold it up and you can see it's unlocked. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.